It is summer solstice season in I Love New York, and this is a special day to gather on Astor Place. This is WitchsFest USA. Easiest way to get here is right here. I'll walk you over. So hopefully you will attend and join us next year in person. It is the Astor Place subway, the 4 or the 6. Now let's do a walkthrough of WitchsFest USA, as this is an absolutely free event to attend. It's a gathering, it's a street fair, it's a lot of fun, and it's happening right now. So when I mentioned that it's free to attend educational workshops. WitchsFest USA, one of them is taking place right now. And our speakers this year have been coming from all different areas. Alexander Cabot, Christian Day, Brian Kane. There is Star Ann Ravenhawk, one of the creators of this event. We love Star Ann Ravenhawk. There she is. And so when we're talking about being a street fair, we have all of the original creations handcrafted. Can't imagine an event without incense. Speaking of incense, this season I have chosen coconut incense. Oh, there are the shirts. WitchsFest USA. This person is fashion forward. Has their shirt on. I actually switch my incense up every season, and this year I was able to find some coconut incense. And then here is a regular attender. It's Lady Clover Honey on Astor Place. Lady Clover Honey, what brings you back to WitchsFest USA?
I wanted another magical experience, and I got one.
What did you get? What did you get?
I got lots of energy, lots of friendly, lots of fun.
Now you helped co-produce some witchy events in New York City at Bellydance.
Back in the 90s. Yeah.
What was your involvement in producing witchy events for NYC?
I was on the board of directors of this public Pagan networking organization. It was called New Moon, New York.
Now for the solitary witches, what's the benefit of gathering at a witch event or joining a coven?
You meet other like-minded people, you can use the energies of other people all together. They say like 13 people, and the energies of 13 people make an amazing power, unlike nothing you've ever seen.
Now I love, can you show us your wand that you brought today?
Yes, it's a little wand that I have in my collections for years.
And the wand does feature the pentacle?
Yes.
And you had a great explanation of that. Can you give us a little info on that for those of you who might not be informed?
Pentacle stands for earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, the 5 elements. So
love it.
And then in a circle with no beginning and no ending, you have the 5, they have all the magic, all the power in the world, the 5 elements inside of a circle.
Until we meet again at WitchsFest USA, Clover, it's always been a pleasure. We're going to walk the block just a little bit more. And I got to say, it is very community-minded. We'll see people. Some come every year, some you'll see for the first time. And concerts, it's a concert venue. Wolfspeak performed. Dark Moon Spirit is still taking down from their show. And then Juanito is performing now. And there is Red from Dark Moon Spirit. And here we have one handcrafted.
I made those pensions, so the money's still going.
And there is, let's see if we can get a moment with, oh, there is Indigo moving around. Indigo! Can you tell us about your booth?
Okay, so we are Lavender Bee Balm Apothecary, and we do everything handcrafted, handmade for all of your magical needs. We have for love and for abundance and for self-love and for protection. So we have some new stuff. So we can look over here. Bitch, be gone! And we have unbinding, and we have a couple of really new ones here. We have that Albalon shell. We have, this is my love spell bath bomb. Sorry. And we started because everything is with the natural and everybody likes their weed, you know? And
is this the one and all Palo Santo?
yes, it is.
Now, for those of us who are just learning, when would you use Palo Santo?
Palo Santo is a clearing. It is a clearing. If you have, most likely, if you have indigenous or if you're from the Caribbean, if you're from the Caribbean, you can also use this for clearing, for just cleansing the house and everything else. Even just as clearing your mind, clearing your spirit, just clearing your space.
It's just always great. I love Palo Santo.
And then we have this, which is the Sensolite, and I fell in love with this. And then it has and you can literally put any candle you want in it, which I really like. It's really interchangeable. I just love it. There's a lot of the stuff that's here, and we also have these, which is witch bottles. So everybody needs water. Everybody needs to hydrate. So why not do it style? So then they have everything from the seed eyes. We have just a little bit of everything there. On this section, we have
These guys? I believe they are $5.
It has tourmaline, it has the sage, it has
Along with the
feather,
stem.
so then you can get your hair in the space. And then we also
These
have
ones
an
that they're
abundance
wrapped with,
ritual kit.
that's what they
It's
come.
abundance ritual kit. Actually has we have the Palo Santo, we have the feather, we have the sage, and we even have a little bit of cinnamolite. I'm sorry, I'm always saying it wrong. And then we also have a little bit of a lavender bundle in there too. And then we also have smudging spray, which smells pretty awesome. Love it.
What has been the bestseller at WitchsFest USA? What are people coming for?
Everybody's coming for sage bundles. We have sage bundles here. We have this is a little abundance. This is for lucky charms and everything else. It's mostly for clearing. And a lot of the weed stuff. And everyone is loving the shells. Everyone's loving the water bottles, everything.
Now, speaking of clearing, how do you do your clearing? Because everything is handmade here.
Yes, everything is handmade.
So how do you do your clearing before you're about to send something off to one of your clients that stop by?
Actually, before every time that we actually clean, we clean everything before anything. Before anybody touches it, we clean and we cleanse everything and we charge everything personally by myself, by Janelle, and by Jada.
So happy to see you again.
Yes, it's so good to be here. I'm so glad you're here.
We're gonna do a little bit more walk of WitchsFest USA, and again, checking in with Indigo Ortiz. Let's see if we can get a quick word. Fred, how was WitchsFest USA?
It was awesome.
Now, in the past, you did a music video performing at WitchsFest USA. Will today's concert be a video?
Today there will be videos. We did a multi-camera shoot and we did multi-track recording, but it takes a while for us to get all that together. So probably more like around Halloween that'll come out.
Thanks, Fred. Good to see you again.
Thank you for coming.
Coming again. All right, this is Astor Place. And that is a look of WitchsFest. Oh, let's see one more moment. We have some of the fans in the audience. And we're lucky because they're still here. It's Wolf Speaks lead singer, how was WitchsFest USA?
WitchsFest USA was electric. It was super fun. We had a big crowd. The rain held off. Rock and rolled.
Now we saw Wolf Speak last year. What brought you back to WitchsFest USA? What was the alluring factor here?
Oh, are you kidding me? The energy. As soon as we come out here, it's the streets of New York. It's hard not to just pick up on every single vibe that's coming around here and just creating this whole entire like bonfire of energy. It's so cool around here. We love it. We'll definitely be back for next year.
Checking in with the lead singer of Wolf Speak.
Yeah. Check it out. Check it out.
See it? Okay, that is. It's the joy of WitchsFest USA. You turn the corner and something else manifests, another person appears. Astor Place. All right, that's a quick walkthrough. Pagan Pride hat. There it is. If you have missed WitchsFest USA, the hat. I love it. Love it. Is Pagan Pride returning to Battery Park this year?
It better, maybe. We're waiting. I hope so.
We got another event to see each other again. Until next time. So again, if you've missed WitchsFest, there is another gathering here in New York called Pagan Pride. Now when I say another gathering, it doesn't mean it's the only one. There is Beltane on Long Island. Star also does a Samhain event. And if you wanted to learn more, it is the Wiccan Family Temple. If you wanted to get some education, you can attend some classes. All right, it was so much fun, we walked it twice. And that is WitchsFest USA. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying.